In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to uppercut in Cursed Arena. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to perform an uppercut. The uppercut is a move that is available in basically a lot of Roblox games, including Cursed Arena, and you will be able to throw your opponent into the air by executing your combo with a very specific key pressed. So as you can see, if you are able to get the uppercut down, you will do it on the 4th M1 that you do in a row. So this is what it should look like. You will be able to do 1, 2, 3, and then 4 M1s, and then on the 4th one, you will knock them up. So basically, all that you have to do to do an uppercut is to hold space right as you do the last M1. So as you can see, just start holding space and M1. You will be able to do the uppercut as the 4th attack. So you can either click individually, so 1, 2, 3, and then press space plus M1, or you can just start holding both from the start, whatever you prefer. A lot of people think it's easier to just hold both, but this will make your character jump randomly, so it might not be the best thing to do. But regardless, you can choose whichever option you prefer, and you will be able to see the uppercut. The opponent is going to go directly up, and this is all you have to do. So once again, you just have to press M1 down, and while you are doing the 4th M1, you need to be holding space. You can try tapping space if you don't want your character to jump, and it should work as well, but the timing is going to be much more strict. So if you just want to make it easy, just hold space while you are holding down M1, and you are guaranteed to get the uppercut. And this should work as any character. So even if I were to switch characters over here, I would spawn as a new one, and I would still be able to do the uppercut as my last attack. As you can see here, I still do the uppercut with my hand. So all that you have to do is to be holding down space as your 4th M1 goes out, and you will be able to perform an uppercut as any character in Cursed Arena. If you are doing this process on mobile, the process is the same. You just have to tap the jump icon instead. I hope I was able to help you on how to uppercut in Cursed Arena. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.